Hi guys, so today I'm going to take a look at this new item from bornprettystore. So as you can see, it comes in this tube, so it's safely packaged for arrival. So this is dual ended and the ends are different. I did see that you could buy ones that both have sponges on the end, but the reason that I picked this one was for the stamper side. So you can see that it is a small stamper and it's one of the really soft squashy jelly ones. I like that it's got glitter on it as well. And then on this end you have the sponge, and I do a lot of sponge designs, so it's interesting to have it in this form as opposed to just using a makeup sponge. So the actual unit itself, you can see here that it's filled with fake crystals, and this is gold and clear. I can't remember off the top of my head if you could pick different colours or not. I'll say leave the link down below so you can certainly have a look at it. So I'm going to try out this stamper. So I do just have here an image plate. This is BP32, it is quite an old one. And I'm going to try picking up some of the smaller images. So as you can see, the image transferred very neatly there. Just popped it on this piece of white paper. I'll try it again on the bowl. So as you can see, really quick and simple. So this will certainly make it easier when trying to apply small detailed stamping images. The squishy stamper is one of my favourite. I just feel personally for me that I like the way it picks the image up more, and especially on my larger nails when it's a bigger image, having that squidgy stamper just means that I feel that it covers more of the nail easier for me. So yeah, really like this. Will use it in future tutorials. There's also a 10% off code down below if you want to buy anything from the Born Pretty website. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.